Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to install a webcam. Now it's very simple to do. Once you get it out of the box, it's going to be a camera like this, and then it's going to be all wrapped up with a long USB cable. So you unwrap it, run it down behind your monitor, plug it in a hub, a powered hub, or in one of your spare USB ports in the back of your computer. This bit sits on top. It doesn't clamp on tight. It just sits in place, but you can adjust the camera. Now this particular camera has it gives a privacy shield. You can put it down so if the camera goes on, nobody can see what's going on. This model here has a red LED, which means the power's on, power supply to it. But when you start using it, it will go and it will turn green. And if this is open, it's ready to record. All you have to do is open Zoom or whatever and record. But I'll show you how to do this here. Let's go down to search. Let's type web. And the camera app pops up. Click on that. And there's your, well, that's right. And there's your webcam in action. So it's a very simple job installing a webcam. Let's close this back down. Very simple job installing a webcam. They open up your world to all new possibilities. I guess that's all I've ever covered. There's no extra drivers needed. You just plug it in and it goes. So that's it. So it's very simple to install. Anyone can install this on any computer. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons. And a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.